If you really want to do something, you will find a way. If you don't, you'll find an excuse. If you want to do live webinars adding value to people, you will stay focused with that strategy. If you want to do short form content, long form content, if you want to build a business in a great, awesome way, you will get the mentors, the coaches, the communities of like minded people. You will invest in your personal development and implement and put everything that you are learning, that you are studying into practicality. That is where you make progress, where you get results. You need to ask yourself, are you truly 100% focused, or is this the path you want to dive into? If not, you will make an excuse. Oh, I'm not ready today. I'll do it tomorrow. I'll do it later. I'll do it next week. Why your emotions can get the better of you, or your mind can start playing tricks with you. Oh, do it tomorrow, do it next week, do it later, and that, my friend, can set you up for making excuses. Remember, business owners, entrepreneurs cannot make excuses or find excuses why you cannot serve more people, why you cannot make a contribution on a global scale, or in your city, your suburb, in your community. Your mind always wants you to find an excuse, and I'm guilty of this 100% in all businesses I've started and failed: network marketing, digital marketing, video marketing, affiliate marketing, buying and selling. I failed. This is the reason. I always tried finding an excuse, pivoting into other alternative ventures, and not staying focused on what I truly, really must do. So do not try to deceive yourself. I'm not calling you out here on this video. I'm just calling you up so that you can start seeing, if you really want to do something, no matter how small or insignificant you might perceive that might be now in this point in time. If you really want to do something, you will find a way. You will make phone calls, you will do research, you will go on YouTube, on Google, you will start learning, investing, reading, starting to learn and understand, and to grasp ideas and concepts on how it is to actually put those things into practicality in order for you to see progress, transformation, and change in a rapid, dynamic way. So where you put your focus is where you get your results. If you tend to think a lot in your mind, you will start finding excuses. So the only way out of this is to get out of your mind and simply just do things, put things into practicality and into your perspective.